Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all hidden modes available on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first one that I want to show you is the connectivity labs. If we go to the settings, then open connections, go to Wi-Fi, tap these three dots in the top right corner and go to intelligent Wi-Fi. Now scroll down and over here you'll find intelligent Wi-Fi. You can keep tapping on this option in order you turn on connectivity labs. You will see the information at the bottom of the screen. Then you can scroll down in order to find connectivity labs. Now another menu or mode that I want to show you is the developer options. In order to access developer options, we need to go to About Phone. Now over here, go to Software Information and keep tapping on Build Number until you see the information that developer mode has been turned on. You might need to enter the PIN code, password, or whatever in order to activate it. Then if you go back, then in the main menu of the settings, you will be able to find developer options. The next thing that I want to show you is the recovery mode. And in order to access recovery mode, you will need to use the USB cable. You need to connect Samsung to your PC or laptop. And this is what I'm gonna do. So plug it in and then turn off the device. So we need to power off. Then what we need to do, once the device is off, you need to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. You will need to press and hold it until you see the Samsung logo. So wait until you see the charging information. And now let's press and hold both of these buttons and keep holding it until you see the Samsung logo. There we go. Now we can release both buttons and now we should see the recovery mode. There we go. So this is the recovery mode. In order to navigate through the mode, we can use volume down to go down, volume up to go up, and of course, in order to confirm the action, press the power button. In order to exit the recovery mode, you need to unplug the USB cable and then choose, for instance, the reboot now. So confirm, and there we go. So now let's wait for the device to turn back on. And last but not least, we can also access the download mode, and we will also need to use the USB cable and also connect our Samsung to PC or laptop. But before we do that, first we need to turn off our device without plugging it in. So first we're gonna power off one more time. And now when the device is off, what we need to do is press and hold both volume buttons. So press the volume up and volume down button at the same time. And when you start pressing it, when you start holding it, you want to, at the same time, plug the USB cable in. So I'm gonna start pressing now and then plug in the USB cable. So keep holding it. And eventually you will see the download mode. Unfortunately, this screen is really dark and my camera cannot really show that, but you can see there is this triangle. You should definitely be able to see what's on the screen. In my case, in case of my camera, I cannot really show it. But we have three options now. We can press volume up button in order to move forward, volume down button in order to cancel and reset the phone, or we can show the barcode by using the power button. And then if you continue, if you decide to actually continue, then you will see this download information. And at this point, if you want to reset, you want to press the volume down key and the power key at the same time and hold it for 7 seconds. So I'm gonna do this. So press and hold both of these buttons in order to exit the download mode. And once you exit it, there we go, now it is off. Once you exit, then we can unplug the USB cable and the device should restart itself after like 15, maybe 30 seconds sometimes. And these are all hidden modes available on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!